This is the lying straight leg raise, and for this we want to have our hands on a pole or a table leg or anything of the sort that you can lightly grab behind you. You don't need heaps of pressure on it. We're going to keep our core engaged so our back is nice and flat against the ground. Bring the legs up towards your chest. Now when we come up with these, we don't want to go to a point where we start rolling the lower back. We want to keep it nice and flat. So not reaching for the sky, not reaching super far back. And then as we let them come down, we're going to be in control, so a nice slow descent rather than just letting them drop and then catching them. So a slow descent, and we're going to stop right before we start losing control of that core. So you should be able to feel it, especially after a bit of practice. That back's managing to stay flat all the way through this movement, keeping that core and those deeper core muscles engaged the entire time. We always want the core to win on this one. Don't let the momentum of the legs take over. Now if the straight legs are just a bit too much for you at this stage, that is fine. Go with some bent knees, bent legs, and we're going to move through this in whatever range you have that is going to make you feel comfortable and keep you in control of the core. Some people will go a lot further than others. Some people won't go very far at all. That is fine as long as you are holding on to priority number one, which is tension through the core muscles the entire time and back staying nice and flat. So that is the lying straight leg raise, with the option of course of being a lying bent leg raise.